Um, we live, right? We live?
I don't know.
I think we are live. Are we live? Well, um,
No, you're not lying. Okay.
hang on. Yeah, we are live. Okay,
Okay.
epic. So, let me just change the title.
The title is
Hang on. All right. So, we live, right? Yeah, we live. Let's go. So, hello everyone. Rudy T here. Host of the um, host of the overly Dankcast podcast, hosted by me, Rudy T, and my friend here, Sammy Sheikh.
hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, I heard you. So, a friend Techno couldn't join because of problems, and we had already planned to make the podcast today. So, yeah, sad face. I know, very sad, very sad. So, yeah. So, what do you think? So,
Like
yeah. So,
what?
according to the title of the stream, we're gonna talk about the Avengers game. So, if you don't know, a few like weeks ago, I would
Is
say.
it like free in the PlayStation Store?
Yeah. I think it's in I don't know when, but like the Avengers beta came out. I didn't play it, but the game.
Um, I
What?
did see some stuff about it on YouTube, the Avengers game.
I mean, it is a
I
pretty
mean, it's really buggy. It's really buggy.
like buggy.
Like, a lot of bugs. Models honestly don't look good at all.
I mean, it was the beta,
But,
mind you.
but still,
Yeah. So
still doesn't look good.
yeah, but
I
I
mean, I
mean,
expected more.
like the full game though. I don't know.
Also, the gameplay.
But also one more weird thing, like the Iron Man's face is weird. Like, like the
Everyone's face is weird in the Avengers game.
no, especially Iron Man's like suit, Iron Man's suit.
I don't know what they did with the models.
Yeah, okay. I mean the story though. I mean the story is nice. I'll admit that. Like the story is nice, with all the campaign and also God, I don't even know what to say. The probably the best, mind you, probably the best title I've ever seen. So I don't know if you guys know about this Tomatin. I don't know if you know Tomatin, but oh yeah, by the way, our guest showed up. So welcome, uh, Path, also known as Mr. Indian Gamer. Please say hi.
Hi,
Alright, so he's our guest. So yeah, so sup Path, welcome to the Overly Dankcast. How do you feel being on this?
feeling very good.
Alright. Also, you gotta stay unmuted. Right?
Okay,
This is not some this is not an online class. You're supposed to stay muted. Alright? You have freedom of speech. Okay, to
okay.
talk speech, Rudy, speech. SPEECH. Okay. So
I
we were
like
talking.
it how you talk to yourself.
Well. So we were talking about the Avengers game. So do you know what is the Avengers game?
No,
Um, Never
I
mind.
mean,
It's
it's soft.
Do you know Injustice?
Yes.
Avengers game is basically Injustice but Marvel. I'm not even kidding.
Oh,
I don't know if they're made by the same thing. I mean, like, for a fact, I
It's
do.
like I think it's um licensed by Marvel, like Marvel Spider-Man for the PlayStation 4.
Yes.
I think it's licensed.
It should be, otherwise, bruh, Square Enix is in a big ton of trouble. I'm not even
Let
kidding.
me see.
Should be licensed, but I don't know.
Yeah, it's licensed.
Okay, at least now we know they're not gonna get slashed by copyright, so that's good. Um, so like, yeah, like that's basically Avengers game. Also, the models
You
look
know
weird.
something about Thor in the game.
Wow.
He has such a forced Australian accent. It's so forced. Just listen to it.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I
The
do.
accent
I yeah. I mean,
is so forced.
I actually agree with you. I actually agree with you. Holy moly.
I mean, you rather could have got an Australian voice actor, but you got somebody to pretend the rest.
I mean, you could also get. Hang on, did the original voice actors
No,
of
none of
Marvel
them. None
like
of them.
oh, like Robert Downey Jr.
No, no, no.
Hmm.
I mean, definitely the models don't look the same. Neither they have the same voice actor.
I don't know. So yeah. Um. So we do have a guest here. So should we also talk about like how we got what made us do YouTube? Huh?
Maybe.
Like, you know. So like first of all, we can start with Sam's story. Like what happened? Why Sam? Why were you? Why did you start making YouTube videos? Not like we have many
I don't even.
subscribers, but like
I don't even have a perfect reason to do YouTube.
I don't know, like what made you do it? Not like a reason, like more of like
Just
a
for fun. Just for fun.
uh, uh Path. What do you think? How did you
I
start
just
YouTube?
I just did it cause my friends did it.
Peer pressure, eh?
Um, YouTube in these days is kind of time consuming, so you know.
Yeah. Also, one more thing, like I did YouTube because at first I wanted to do YouTube when I was 5, but then I used the native screen recorder in Roblox, and I used to record in 480p.
Yeah.
I
Then
used to record
yes, I
540
remember.
like 540 480p videos with Roblox's
Um,
native recorder.
um,
And then like
what was
I actually found out like you know people actually earn money from YouTube, and I'm like, hey, I can make this my career. Right now it's more of just like a I have free time, I have nothing to do, so let's just make a YouTube video and see what
yeah,
happens.
same.
Like yeah,
Mm.
like yeah,
I mean, it obviously takes time to get to
like
1,000
actually
subscribers.
yeah. I mean to get monetized you need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. That means if these podcasts were 1 hour each, we'd had to throw out 4000 podcasts. I mean, the last podcast did get like you know, a 10 views.
It
So
has
thank you
10
for this.
views already.
Like thank you for the support on the last podcast. We actually didn't thought we'd actually get this popular, but epic.
for some reason I don't use stream in my channel. Because
I mean, he did upload quick scoping General Shepherd.
yes, yeah. I mean it wasn't really a stream, it was just like I
Also,
used
like,
the PlayStation 4's screen recorder, then share factory,
I don't
and
know.
then
I feel like I should get like a capture card so that I can use like an actual, like, recording software to. But mute yourself, please. Unmute only if I want to. Okay, now this is turned into an online class.
everyone put your videos on, otherwise we'll remove you from the class.
We've all been there, mate. We have all been there. Also, like, Path, you can unmute now. This is online class, but you can unmute now. Lol, actually, very funny. PogChamp.
Parth,
Like, Path, like,
Parth,
Yeah.
wait, Parth.
Yes.
what is the game you're the best at?
Switch on video, or I'll remove you from Google Class.
I completely understand where you're coming from, yeah. I actually completely understand.
I don't know, for some reason
Yeah,
people should be aware that if every single student's video is on, then it causes lag. I mean, just not like frames are dropping, literally some people's
they just like I'll give you like I'll give you sort of like an example what I mean. So like for example, it's like this. Hang on. First of all, so I just messed up OBS. You guys keep talking. I'll just fix OBS. Hang on.
Okay. Wait.
Alright. You still did not talk, so that's kind of depressing.
I think you messed up OBS because I'm in your stream and everything's perfect.
Nah, I messed up the audio. That's it. Literally nothing else. I just messed up the audio. So like, yeah, bro, I actually do not know anything else what to do. Like, let's end this podcast, a 10-minute podcast, because that's what we do here.
Uh,
Huh?
let's talk about online classes of
Hang on.
Indian online
Who
classes.
knows this song? Oh yeah, yeah, 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 oh yeah.
Not me.
Everyone does, except Parth.
Path, are you a pro on Arsenal?
What?
I mean, he has a victory in Arsenal.
I also have a victory in Arsenal.
I have 12 victories in Arsenal.
I have around 100.
Well,
Your boy the grinder.
Yes. 10 minutes before I had a win.
Nice, I mean, holy. Oh, by the way, here's my cursor. Hi, cursor. Oh, hi, Rudrax. I just came by here to
Black Ops Cold War.
Yeah, I do.
I watched some gameplay.
I mean, it's also it's pretty nice. I'm not gonna.
So should I share my thoughts?
No. Like, hang on. We'll all share our thoughts. Hang on. For I don't know why. When I saw like the leaks are true.
Yeah, I know it's true, but yeah, pretty much.
So Sam, give your first thoughts.
It kind of has that. I mean, it's still in alpha, no? So, in Black Ops 4, you used to have those health bars when you were shooting at someone.
Like, even one more thing, you can like, is there even overkill in Black Ops?
No, listen. I'm not sure if there's overkill, but you can get shotguns as your secondary without having the overkill.
So basically, now instead of pistol launchers, combat knife, you
Obviously,
have
you can have pistols. Yes, you can. But
launchers.
yes, you can, but
So instead of the
people
standard,
would rather
no,
use the
look. Instead of your normal launchers, pistols, and melee weapons, You can have pistols, launchers,
I don't.
shotguns,
You
and
shouldn't say
then
instead. I mean, there's always multiple options.
uh,
You
they
can carry on
maybe
pistol
they
and a
could maybe
shotgun.
they could like remove shotguns and like have overkill. Also,
And
one more
in the
thing.
Modern Warfare Gunsmith, you are limited to 5 attachments.
Yeah,
In Cold War's Gunsmith, you can have 8 attachments.
air attachments. Okay. Also, one more thing. Like, who cares about Call of Duty campaigns? Like, personally, I do care about Call of Duty campaigns.
Everyone does. Everyone does.
Yeah.
Right.
Also, don't you think it's kind of weird in Black Ops 2? Um, if you shoot what Noriega says is Raul Menendez in the leg, it's actually Mason, and Mason actually shows up. Like, I don't understand.
Parth,
Yes.
Um,
um, can you appreciate the fact we have the same knife in us?
what the hell? Um,
LMU.
little brothers. Oh well.
Not little brothers. I believe it
Cousin,
is one.
sister, what?
I think it is
Brother or sister? What do you say?
more. It is one.
His mom out of all. Oh, god damn it! It's his mom out of all people. Okay. You want some entitled parents on Reddit?
Oof. And wait, let's discuss about Avengers on Cold.
Oh well, part
And
you always got to have some entitled mothers. Like it's now like
nah, 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 that's not good. And listen, there's this map in Cold War
yeah,
called Satellite.
huh?
It's like a direct copy of a Battlefield 1 map. I'm not even joking.
Huh. So I guess I'll just
But
entitled parents.
no. Let's just talk about.
Okay.
Let's talk about the Avengers.
Entitled parents. Okay. R slash entitled. I'm on R slash.
No, dude.
Come on.
No,
Just one. Just one.
no, I'm not doing this. Then I'm leaving.
Like okay. So like Hmm. By the way, what happens if you look at SCP-096's face?
He'll run to it.
Don't even run away, mate. Like what? Huh.
Honestly,
What?
what do you think about the models in the Avengers game? Like,
What did you say?
um, you may have you seen any gameplay from Marvel's Avengers?
I don't know. Oh, Rishabh joined. Let's go.
Nice.
Right.
Nice, dude. So yeah. Also, one more thing. Like you want to do like a challenge?
What sort of chat?
Okay, I'm going to say a word. Yeah. Oh, Pass also has OS Epic Party Gang.
But
I'm gonna readjust Discord on
This is
OBS.
so pog.
This is so Pog Champ moment, Epic Gamer Momento Pog Champ.
Parth,
Let's go, dude. So we got the gang here.
hello Parth, can you hear me?
Yes.
So we got the gang here, boys.
So
Let's
you have the chainsaw as your main arsenal.
What?
the chain. What? Did they actually add a chainsaw to Arsenal?
Yeah, I have the chainsaw in the school.
Hang
I
Even
on.
I have
think
the
part of
chainsaw equipped.
Is it not
yes,
like?
same
Is
here.
it like an actually chainsaws like a melee weapon or is
It's
it?
a melee weapon. It's a melee
Melee.
weapon.
Alright. I thought it was the chainsaw like the X-Socket chainsaw in
Melee weapon.
Ye. So let's go, dude. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So this is the thing.
Am I supposed to be in a good mood?
Nah. Um. Also, one more thing. We everybody say random words and I'm gonna make a sentence out of it.
Uh,
Path say a word. Just a random word, and I'm gonna try and make some comedy out of it.
I like how you say comedy. I
Flower.
mean, it's probably going to be
Path.
unfunny.
Path. Tell me a name. Path, tell me a word right now.
Rope.
Nope. Okay. Nope. Okay. Sammy.
What?
The word.
Which we
What?
will make a comedy word.
Like a normal simple word, and I'm gonna try and make a comedics like sentence out of it. Like, what? I'm gonna try and make a. So, Sam, tell me the word.
Um,
Okay. I can work with
no, 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 no,
I can work with that.
no.
Techno, your
My
word.
word is, my word is
Yeah. What's your word?
epic gaming.
Epic gamer.
Yes.
Oh my god. As Techno, what's your word?
shrug.
What?
Shrug. You know the shrug emoji.
Shrug. Just shrug. Just.
Yeah.
Alright, alright.
Slash
Nope.
shrug.
Epic gamer and shrug. Alright. A Karen came up to me and asked me to give my Epic Gamer gaming PC to her angel, and I'm like, nope. And she just scolded me, and then she just went away, and I was like, shrug. So tell me how.
So funny.
Hang on.
So funny.
I
So
want to
funny.
ask you
So
something.
funny.
I want
So
to,
funny. So
brother,
funny.
bro. Let me ask you something. How cringe was that? Tell me.
200% cringe.
Infinite percent cringe. Infinite percent. Yes, it's a thing now.
Okay.
One divided by zero.
Hmm. So like you know what I'm doing right now? I'm literally fidgeting with a piece of cardboard.
Nice.
I know, right?
And also, let's talk about online classes. You know,
Online.
our classes experiences in online classes.
I like
Me
to
and
call
Parth
it
are in
as
the same.
hell. It's literal hell.
Parth,
We talk through Discord during the class.
Parth,
Yep.
you know the most common quote in our online classes by our teachers?
Hmm. Yes.
Can
Sit
you
on the
say that?
camera or sit on the camera or I will remove you from the class.
I
I
know,
know.
mate.
Why though?
I don't know. Imagine you're in the bathroom and they tell you to turn on your camera.
Seriously.
But
What?
I know a simple way to get around that.
Listen. One day I had to go to the washroom for 5 seconds,
Yeah.
and ma'am was like, "Why wasn't the camera on for 5 seconds?" Because I can't tell her I was in the washroom.
I
That's
went bathroom
just
for 5 seconds and I was moved.
Did that actually? Also, by the way, can we also Sam, you shared me a screenshot.
oh that one, the autocorrect one.
Yes.
And Parth, it's not edited.
Which one?
The I
Um,
am
Yashwan.
I am
Oh,
I am let me try and put this in a family friendly way. I've not I'm obviously gonna have to age restrict this thing, but I am iDubbbz meme, ma'am. Yes. The green guy iDubbbz meme, ma'am. I am green guy iDubbbz meme, ma'am.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah, that's one way to put it. The green guy iDubbbz meme guy. Yeah, that's what it. Also, by the way, can I share like a story in the morning? What happened? It's the funniest
Okay.
shit ever. So what
Okay,
happened?
sure.
So I was like I done taking my online classes. I was getting ready to you know code some stuff for my Discord bot. Yes, I made a Discord bot. Trying to open VS, so I opened Visual Studio. Yeah, it's a text editor. Then what I did, I just sat down on an imaginary chair. Basically, what happened? The chair was back, and I thought the chair was front, so like I could sit on it, but it was not. I was sitting on an imaginary chair. I fell down and I hit my um the behind. I hit my behind very badly on the ground, and now my behind hurts a lot. um,
You told that you
I didn't tell Rishabh that, and I didn't tell Pat that, and I don't know why am I sharing it, but I
you
showed it.
told me.
I shared that
You
just for the
told me.
laughs. Nah, nah,
Like
Sam, it wasn't
it's
just
still
for.
hurt. It's still hurting.
Yes, like
How hard was the fall?
sometimes when your neighbors are renovating, don't you hear that talk talk talk?
Uh,
It was exactly like that, except the sound wasn't coming from a neighbor renovating. It was actually from my bum. Ouch. Comment down in this podcast F in chat for you know my fate,
Nobody comments
sad
and
face.
comment.
Uh, who did not who forgot that you know inner.com is not a malicious link and forgot to tell me six it like
Also, by the
that's
way, on that, remember in the
what
last podcast, someone sent you sent like someone else, like it was the 9 second clip, the 9 second clip you were talking about. Someone literally sent me an NSFW link that I'd rather not talk about.
What do you mean?
It's
what
NSFW. It's NSFW. I can't say that on stream.
Oh,
Hang on, I'm gonna mute desktop audio and my nah. It's NSFW. It was an NSFW thing,
nice.
and I regret
I
it.
see.
So
I get it.
so like yeah, you know what I mean, right? Yeah. Also, like yeah. Also, there's a new mode in Apex Legends.
I mean,
King's Canyon
it's
After
called
Dark.
Apex Myth.
King's Canyon After Dark is basically King's Canyon at night. That's it. And Skull
that's
Town's
nothing
back.
renovated.
Skull
But
Town's back.
What?
Skull Town's
I
back in
what?
King's Canyon After Dark. That's pretty sick, right?
sure.
That's pretty pork champ. Pork champ in chat.
My ears don't like this.
Let's go, dude. Ha ha ha. Boy.
I
So
said my ears don't like this, and you're like, let's go.
like,
What's the best
uh,
Minecraft mod in existence?
what?
What does everyone think the best Minecraft mod in existence is?
The best Minecraft mod in existence.
Yes.
Uh, I think there's this one in which there are like a bunch of new TNTs that you can have so much fun with.
It's Optifine is the answer, right? You have infinite FPS.
Oh,
What?
wait, hang on. I thought Optifine was like an add-on. I didn't think it was a mod. Yeah, if you're thinking Optifine's a mod, then yeah, Optifine's the best. Optifine's actually the best.
I didn't know Optifine's
No,
an
because like
box.
Optifine helps you to zoom in. It clears your like code a lot. Like it clears the Minecraft code a lot, so you get higher frames. And also it removes the 60 frame limit on Minecraft, so you can go well over 200 frames if you have the PC to do so.
Ah, nice.
Like you can sort of like zoom in.
I mean,
It's
obviously, no
great to
one
do.
can do that in a Windows 7 Intel Core i3.
Like imagine
Right?
streaming.
You just
Imagine streaming.
download something and you run on
Like
the
look,
time.
look. Imagine having a tripod with your camera on the when you with your phone camera on the screen, and you from YouTube you're streaming Minecraft as 10 FPS on your grandfather's old Dell Windows 7 Core 2 Duo 512 meg or 2 GB RAM, no graphics card, only integrated graphics like computer. Like what?
Obviously, it can't run.
Now like it can at 10 FPS, that is. Like even with Optifine it would run 30, and that's what this podcast is running on. And I don't care about frame rate on this podcast because it's just for hearing.
It's just audio.
Yeah, it's just audio. Like you know what I mean? Like I don't know what also
Do you think Discord should be used for online classes?
But
it was
interest.
it was used for one of my school competitions. Our school had a
Saying like
computer. Our school had a computer.
online classes,
I mean, imagine though.
like all of them.
Bro, I would be the happiest person on this world because
No,
like
listen. Just no, just I'll just tell you why it should be used. First of all, we have all GCs and stuff. You can easily make a server, have different channels. This also you
You
can
should use GitHub classes. It's like you should combine GitHub classes with Discord and it's perfect. That's it. That's all you have.
listen,
The whole
listen. You can give like different. You can make one server for like entire eighth grade and give like, for example, eighth A role to a specific student who's in
yeah, and
eighth
then
A.
and then make a VC so that only
Mm-hmm.
those
Eighth
specific
A,
roles can join the VC and attend the class, and the other ones don't like interrupt in between. You know what I mean?
yes, that's what I mean.
And but like there's also one more thing like that Zoom has but Discord doesn't have, is the thing in which like you make everybody muted, because Zoom has this thing in which you can make everybody muted but not actually like have them unmute themselves.
I get. Or if you use like the web version of Discord, it's unlikely you can just mute site.
Yeah, you can I mean like programs like Discord and Microsoft Teams, they give the students freedom of speech. They sacrifice
Mm.
the reserve the reservation of right to unmute freely. But for many features like even Microsoft Teams though, I'm not kidding, it's pretty good. Discord is a bit hard because like I would prefer Discord, but Discord doesn't have the thing.
Honestly,
What?
I think Microsoft Teams is better for like official business and school. Just saying.
And my school
Yes.
uses Microsoft Teams for like online classes. Like wow.
Honestly, I think Microsoft Teams should not be used for that.
I mean,
It
Sam,
makes,
Rishabh, and Path are in the same school.
yeah. And
You
me and
use
Parth are in the same section. Same thing.
so you use
It's
what
very
do you say?
sad to be alone with
What?
cringe 12-year-old.
You use
Like
Google
they're
Meet, no?
actually very.
Google
Yes.
Classroom and Google Meet.
Yep.
Also,
It's
Yep.
not the best. It's not the best, but like
it ain't
it has
much.
all the basics. But
Huh?
it's honest food.
Also, you know what's so stupid?
Huh?
Um, Google Play Store has this new thing in which now there's like teacher approved, like beside like things like Zoom or something, like Microsoft Teams or some like learning app.
Like it was like editors something.
Editor's choice. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Honestly, who even cares about it?
I don't know.
Imagine just buying Minecraft Pocket Edition and then it says not approved by teachers, and then you're like,
Oh,
what the heck?
No, I know what version of Minecraft will be approved by teachers.
educational edition.
Yeah, actually,
No, they wouldn't approve that.
I have somehow gotten a Minecraft Education Edition to run on my PC,
Parth,
and it runs
do you
full
think our
60
school
frames.
should use? You think our school should use Minecraft educational edition?
Like you can actually,
Yeah.
like, cause like
Yes.
because what happens, teachers can make worlds or download world templates from online, which like, for example, in Arduino. So like you can have the students go on Minecraft, look at the Arduino, and like see how it's made.
Work with a real life Arduino. Go see my videos.
No,
Yeah, Rishabh.
but they could like make an Arduino, like an Arduino Pro Micro or something in a Minecraft.
Actually, pretty cool. You know what else is cool? Minecraft Pi Edition. I know it's on alpha. I know.
You can use a Raspberry Pi to download this Linux distribution known as Pi. Literally, Pi is the it's a Linux distribution for Raspberry Pi, and
Ubuntu is the best Linux distribution I actually know. It's awesome. It's just awesome.
Ubuntu, the best Linux distribution.
Yes.
Also,
I mean,
but there are
yeah,
like some computers like there's some computers like you want to run Ubuntu on like let's say
And we
your
talk
grandfather's
about
old
normal online
no
classes
but you
now.
want to yeah, like I've asked my teachers, have you used Ubuntu? And my teachers was like, Ubuntu's great for like people with like coding skills. Like you can use console with a K, and Kate and Dolphin. But like my teachers actually say it's the most uncomfortable use for them. Like they prefer a Mac over it. Like Sam has a Mac. Like Sam's on a Mac, I think.
No, my dad has a Mac. A
Oh,
Mac Pro. A MacBook Air. Sorry, MacBook Pro.
you're on Windows, right?
Yes.
Okay. Although you know what's so stupid? My teacher does not know her laptop is Windows 10.
What?
Bro, the taskbar, the loading screen screams at you Windows 10. It screams Windows 10, mate.
She doesn't know it's Windows 10 or
No,
Windows 7, whatever.
she thinks it's Windows 7. And she
There's
doesn't
a
even
clear
she did
difference between
bro,
the
she
It's a
bro,
very
bro,
big
bro, bro,
difference in
bro,
the
bro,
taskbar.
bro, she she doesn't even call Windows with an S, like plural.
So,
She called it Windows
Window.
7. Windows 7. It's
which teacher?
like my French
it's
teacher.
not Windows 7. It's Windows. Windows 7.
Windows. Also, can we also appreciate the fact that console in Linux is not actually console CONS?
It's Bash. It's
It's
Bash. Not even console. It's Bash.
no, but it also has console with a K, na.
It's like
Never heard about it.
There's also this. Anybody know Task Manager on Windows?
everyone.
Task manager for life. Close task manager by ending its task instead of pressing the X.
No, but you know what's even better than Task Manager?
Or
What?
Taskkill F/F/IM. Taskkill. Taskkill. Imagine using Taskkill /F/IM. I actually use Taskkill /F/IM. Yes, I know I
do you
am
think do you think
what?
teachers should actually force people to switch their videos on?
I mean, if you think about it in a way, it's kind of invasion of privacy, right?
Not on. Yes.
Like
I mean,
forcing students to turn on their videos is kind of like invasion of privacy.
how can you say that?
Yes.
How can you say that it's invasion of privacy?
I mean, it's invasion of privacy because like the student doesn't want to turn on their videos. So
Like,
the student doesn't
yeah,
want to turn on their videos. Like I mean, like imagine like if you do not know, there's a scene in The Boys. It's a thing on the Amazon Prime. The
Amazon
Boys.
Prime.
Yeah, The Boys.
Yes, I know.
In which there's this thing like imagine you're supposed to wear something like that shows a lot of skin, like you know what I mean,
Yes.
like
And you don't want to do it.
but then they force you to. That's kind of like invasion of privacy, like even
But at the same time,
uh,
for example, you're doing classwork or whatever,
uh,
and you're cheating while your thing is off. So,
they do there are detect other tab
I mean,
scripts.
yes, but yeah,
I mean, like there's a learning platform, Flip Learn, that we use, and it has an tab script. Like
Thing.
if you open another tab, it will close and it will report it to the teacher.
Also this thing called exam.net, and there's no cheating. You can't even run any control C, control V. You can't do anything but type your
I
answers.
think
You
our
can't do
schools
anything.
should.
Now that's
do
kind of
stuff.
stupid, right? Like you gotta
Because
use.
in our first unit test,
Yeah.
more than 80% of class 8 at least cheated. I'm not even kidding.
Damn. Oh, but like you can also, they're the last resort. Like what happens is like now in our school we don't do computer exams anymore. We actually have to write it
Like in
on a notebook.
I mean, we
That is another thing,
do
and
that.
it's still because like the PDF, like there's a PDF like sheet
Yes,
which
we
is
are
the
given a
question answer.
PDF, then we have
Yeah.
the sheets and the
Yeah, but then one thing is that on that PDF there's a detect another tab script, na, like the detect another tab script, which will report to the teacher. So that's the one way in which you
our
can.
school does not have the script, which is a
I
problem.
mean, it's a pretty simple. Like you can search it online, but like there are, I think there are scripts in which you can detect another like thing is running. Like it should. You know what's the most worst invasion of privacy your parents could do? I saw this person on this person on uh, this is a subreddit. I don't know what it's called, but this person found out after a month or so that for a month his mother had installed a keylogger software on his computer.
What does that mean?
A keylogger is basically techno. You explain it. I've been saying a lot in this podcast.
Okay, so basically it tracks your passwords and stuff. I think. I'm
No,
not
no, no. It
very
doesn't track your password. It tracks everything you type. It logs it
But
according
well,
with your
if your
program. Like
parent
if
is doing it, it's your parent,
no, but
not
then
like.
still is invasion of privacy. Like
But
give
it's
your
your parent. It's your parent, not like someone you don't know.
Sam,
It's your freaking
Sam,
parent.
you're actually starting to be a Karen. I'm not even kidding.
Yeah,
No,
you
I
because you.
understand. I understand. Like you want to.
I know they shouldn't
that's
Like
actually
track
I
like
understand.
everything you
I
type.
understand that you want to see what your kid is doing on the
Yeah, but
internet,
I'm
but
like not everything he can do. Like you can,
like
I don't know.
stuff being video game controls like WASD, WA.
It even, I mean, it shouldn't track everything. You can't just
uh,
have an eye on
maybe
your.
yeah, and this guy is like a teenager. Give your child some privacy. God damn it.
Yeah, but then
Like I
when you get
understand
some
you don't want
privacy,
him to, but
listen,
what?
listen. My honest opinion, when you get some privacy, like
Hmm.
I don't know if your parent actually gives you some privacy, you like want more. You literally want to isolate yourself for some reason.
Like a
Don't you
full
think?
on quarantine.
I don't know. Like no one should know anything just
So
because.
yeah. So yeah, I don't know. Like I don't know. You're like also like what's really funny?
What?
I think note phones are actually one of the coolest phones in the world. One of the coolest. It's not the coolest. It's one of the
What?
coolest. The
Note?
Samsung Galaxy Note series. I think it's one of the coolest
You
things
have a
in
Note 8,
phone.
right?
Yeah, because like imagine like you have a stylus built into your phone. How cool is that? Like tell me.
Someone
Honestly,
died yesterday.
Pretty cool, right? So,
a phone shouldn't really need a stylus because it
but
only
like
it should be
if
called a phone when you have like the ability to type with your finger, whatever. I mean,
but
you don't
like
need
but
a
like but like
stylus.
but like but like
That's what
for taking
makes it
notes, like
proper
you're in
phone.
a meeting and you want to take some notes.
I'm not saying that a stylus is bad. I'm just saying a proper phone does not need a stylus. I'm just my opinion.
I agree. So
Because then
um
it's
It
not
was
even
going
a
to be
phone.
Minecraft Space Edition and it got cancelled.
What?
There's
what?
gonna be a Minecraft Space Edition and it got
Which
cancelled.
edition? I can't hear you properly.
Space Edition, like a sequel in space.
Acha, Space edition.
I
You remember those clickbait YouTubers were like going to space in
but
Minecraft?
there's
Oh,
actually
oh
but
my
there's a
god.
say 256 block limit.
Yeah,
You can actually do it with mods, but there's gonna be an actual official version. No joke.
it got cancelled.
It did.
Yeah.
Oh well, so thank you for watching this podcast. Yeah, hope you had a nice day. Bye.